Hello kids, welcome back. So far in our chapter 10, we have learned recognizing angles, understanding angles in geometric terms, parts of an angles and types of an angles. So today we are going to learn more about angles. More about angles. We can measure the gap between the two arms of the angle by using degree. A degree is a unit of measurement used for measuring angles. So this is an angle ABC, and it is 25 degree. So we say that angle ABC is 25 degree. 25 degree is read as 25 degree. So see this. You can read, instead of writing this full spelling of degree, we can just put a small O on top. The length of the arms do not affect the measure of the angles. Now, to measure an angle, we have to use a protractor. Same way, as you know, children, while measuring an line segment, we use a scale. So same way, while measuring an angle, we use a protractor. You can use a protractor to measure angles. See, this is a protractor. If you look at the protractor carefully, you will see there are two sets of measurements written on it. See here. If you see, this is the center of the protractor. This is the baseline. This one is the inner scale and this one is the outer scale. See, inner scale starts from the right hand side till the left hand side from 0 to 180 degree, and outer scale starts from left hand side 0 to 180 degree. There are scales. There is an inner scale and an outer scale, both having 0 degree to 180 degree in different directions. Now, this is how a protractor is used to measure an angle. See, well, let's see. A, B, O, B. This is the name of the angle AOB. Now, step 1, place the center point of the protractor on the vertex of the angle. Now, see, this is our angle. So, we'll put the center point on the O. Okay, we'll put on the O. Vertex is the O, right? O is the vertex, so we'll keep it on O. Adjust the protractor without shifting the center from the vertex so that one arm of the angle is along the baseline. We will not shift our vertex from here, but we will keep our center here, and the one angle, this down part of the angle should be on the baseline. Step 3, look at the look at the scale where the baseline arm points to 0 degree. Okay, this is a 0 degree inner scale in this. See, one baseline, it is on 0 degree. Okay, read the measure of this angle where the arm crosses the scale. See, we'll put this on the 0 and the next one we'll just see it is on the 50 degree. We'll just see the outer scale, not the inner scale. We'll look for the outer scale. Okay, it is on 50 degree. So our answer is angle AOB is equal to 50 degree. See children, our exercise A 10C question 2, measure these angles using the inner scale. They have already given the angle and the protractor is there. You just have to measure the from the inner scale. And our second question, you'll measure it from the outer scale. It is already there in your textbook. Do by your own and check your answer after seeing this video, and pause this video and you can check your answer from here. Next question, fourth question. See, you will cut this question. This question is there in your textbook, but you will cut this question and you will write this. Measure the following angles and write which type of angle it is. means you will measure this angle with the help of a protractor. See, I have already done here. You will measure it by your own and you will write the angle. See, 120 is obtuse angle. So you will measure by your own, write it in your textbook and just check your answer here. The next question is, use a protractor to measure the angles. Now this is the angles given here. You need to keep your protractor on center O and measure C. This AOC. With what is the degree? You will just look at it and you will write down. Next, our question is draw. See, this is cut it, right? Draw angles with the help of a protractor. These are the types of the angles. I have already shown in this video how to draw or how to measure. Sorry, I have already shown you how to measure the angle. So don't do this sixth question here. Okay, don't do it. We'll just do question 5. Question 6 we'll do later on. I hope children you have understood this. So do the given assignments for practice. Thank you.